All right, so today I am going to make you this wonderful liver rescue smoothie. Now, unbeknownst to me, I've been making it for quite a while. And if you go and get the Medical Mediums book, it's a fantastic book. It'll let you know everything about your liver. And this is what the Medical Mediums liver rescue drink looks like, his smoothie. But the smoothie that I make is similar. I will show you exactly what I'm going to have, the ingredients that I'll have. All right, so the liver rescue smoothie, what I love is that it has papaya. And I love this papaya, and this is the Meridol papaya. This one is ready to use, so we're going to use that. And then I also have this mango, and I'll explain why we should be using them. We're going to put in some bananas. Bananas are really good and they're filling. And then what I like to do is I like to use some lime. And here is the piece de resistance because there's a lot of antioxidants. And this is dragon fruit, and it's also called pitaya. And if you don't have this around, then you can go ahead and use the dehydrated as long as it's 100% pitaya. All right, dehydrated pitaya. So let's get started, and I'll start chopping and put it all together, and you'll see how easy it is. You'll be done 1, 2, 3. All right, so I showed you the ingredients. Let's first start with the papaya, because that one people seem to be a little nervous about using it. I don't particularly care for papaya. I won't eat it alone by itself or in a fruit salad because it's not tasty to me. But here it is in its raw form, right? And then when you cut it in half, you're going to get the inside that looks like this, and you'll be able to see all of the pits in there. All right, and I discard these pits, but I'm going to chop this up. And so just for the sake of time, I've already cut one up, and all you do is you take a spoon and you scoop out that middle section. It's super easy. Take the spoon and scoop out all of the seeds that are in there. See here, this one is super ripe. And I just discard the seeds. Now I'll do some investigating to see if I can't use the seeds another time. Well, I already started this, I might as well finish it. I'm gonna put it here. I'll move my limes out of the way, and I'll just use this as my little trash bin here. All right, so all of my seeds are out, and then the easiest thing for me to do is to take a potato peeler. This is my potato peeler, and I'm just going to simply peel it. And look at that, comes off. You could also use this for any kind of melon that you have, but I wait until it's nice and ripe. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to throw this into a Vitamix or a blender. All right, the whole thing. So it's just a mixture of all of these items. So I'll be cutting up all of these items, all these foods, these wonderful fruits, and then we're going to throw it in, and you'll see. So I'm going to hurry up and do all of this, and you'll be able to catch up. So we're going to go at warp speed. So with the mangoes, you want to look at the pit here and draw a line, and that's where the seed is going to be, and you're going to cut on this side and you're going to cut on this side. And the easiest method is to score it, and then you just take your spoon and you go around, and you'll be able to scoop out your mango completely. Nice and easy. All right, so I'll hurry up and finish up these too. Look at that. All right, so this is the dragon fruit. We just cut it, all right? To me, I don't particularly care for the taste of it. Where's my potato peeler? So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this a little bit. You can use a knife easily, but I just pull these off, and then I use my potato peeler, or you can use a very thin knife and peel all of this. However, I want you to know something. Dragon fruit, this dragon fruit is $5.99 in Safeway. That's a lot of money. And it's not always readily available. So if you want to get the dragon fruit powder, this is 100% dragon fruit, all right? And dragon fruit is actually the flower from cacti that are located in Asia, Central America, and South America. Interesting, right? So anyhow, it looks like this, nice and purple. So when you use this, you only have to use 1 teaspoon per serving, all right? And so what I think I'm gonna do is use this for now. I have other plans for the fresh dragon fruit, all right? So here we go. We're gonna put it in the Vitamix and we're gonna put it together, and then I will have a special taster. So before I forget, I wanted to tell you about why these particular fruits are being used in the liver rescue. So the dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, that rejuvenates the liver, and that's why we're using it. And then the papaya, when the intestinal tract is inflamed, the papaya helps the inflamed nerves, it soothes it, and it improves the intestinal tract's absorption of the nutrients, so that's good. And then the banana is a fructose, and it is the liver's favorite type of food. So it also produces quick fuel for the liver. And then we have mango, and mango is a cooling, it cools a toxic, overheated liver, and it soothes and calms the liver. That's why we use that. And then the lime improves the hydrochloric acid in your intestines, and then it also improves your bile production. So what we're gonna do now, I have my Vitamix here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, put all the ingredients in, and make a delicious drink. All right, let's get started. All right, so that's pretty much it. We are done. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. You know, one of the things that the medical medium does is he puts in dates, and I decided not to put in dates because I think it's just fine. So I'm gonna take a scoop. I wanna show you exactly how creamy this is. Everything is blended. See that? That's the thickness that I like, because I'm gonna put it in these containers and I'm going to freeze it, and I can have this in the morning as a nice cold smoothie, or I can have it as dessert as some ice cream. That goes in the freezer. I'm being a little sloppy here, but oh well. And this is going to go in the freezer. These two are ready for later. Okay, and then the extras will go in here. But first, you have to have a taste test. I love this, and I just have this for breakfast. When I do my lemon water in the morning, then I'm going to wait a couple hours after my walk. This is going to be my breakfast. I'll have a full glass. Let's see. That's so good. My cameraman is over there. Would you like to taste this? There's my cameraman. Say hi.
Hi.
It's okay. So my son, it's my son Jacob. He's my official taste tester.
Oh, it's not bad actually.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It has mango, which is his favorite fruit, right? The papaya, you can't really taste it. Do you like papaya plain?
No.
Not so much, right? It's kind of bland. Yummy. So don't touch that in the freezer. Okay? That's the ice cream.
Very good.
All right, you can have that. Thank you. All right, so there you have it. I love it. My son loves it. I would say kid tested and approved, but he's not a kid. He's a man. All right? So it's easy enough to make, and you can make extras. And you should make extras because you will be sorry if you don't. So that's it. That is the liver cleanse smoothie, the way that I do it. You can certainly follow how the medical medium does it, but you can always play around with recipes and add things that you think would work for you. Just if you're looking to do a liver cleanse, then you certainly would want to adhere to the fruits and vegetables that are suggested in the medical medium's book. So there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make healthy choices, one meal, one drink at a time, and I'll see you on the next video.